Hey, what's up YouTubers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Recently, my younger brother and I have been slowly taking his Honda Accord apart piece by piece and selling those good working parts on eBay. And during the process of doing that, there was a guy on the opposite side of the country that needed a horn. So we sold him a horn, shipped it out, and he put it on his vehicle. All went well. Well, about a month went by and that guy reached back out to us and shared a story with us. He was driving on the highway, he blew a front left tire, and if you haven't experienced this before, anytime you blow a tire going 70 miles an hour, that tire begins to shred and tear apart in every direction. And as your wheel is still spinning at a very high speed, any remaining rubber on that wheel is being thrown and slapped around inside that wheel well and completely damaging everything inside that wheel well. So once he came to a stop and was able to look at all the damage, unfortunately that blown tire beat up that wheel well pretty bad. First thing he lost was the tire. Second thing he lost was that plastic rain guard that secures all the gaps in the wheel well. And the third thing it did, which is unfortunate, it ripped a lot of the wires that feed electrical power to the headlight and turn signals. So with that said, he needs new wires. So in this video, we're going to run you through the steps on how to remove that wiring harness. And it starts inside the vehicle where your pedals are, feeds through the firewall, out over the wheel well, and down into the engine compartment where your actual lights are. Let's check it out. We had a guy blow a tire, and as this tire ripped apart, it ripped a whole bunch of the wheel well to shreds, and in the process, it ripped the wiring harness that is underneath this little plastic rain guard here, and it powers the headlights right here. As you can see, it goes in to the body right there, comes out to the headlights. So what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect it from here, as well as there, down in there, and you get two little connections down here. We're going to pop this tire off, and we're going to take off this rain guard. Maybe I can pull it up a little bit. As you can see, the wiring harness is up in there, and we're going to take that off. As we follow that wiring down, a part of the wiring that goes a different route, and that actually goes all the way down to the turn signal way down below. So follow that line down, disconnect that from the turn signal. Okay, and the final piece is right up in here. You'll disconnect that, and what you can do is you can just pull all that wiring into the car. That's it. I hope the video helped. Hey, do us a favor. Right below this video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notifications, because once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again.